Did you know that Divi has a built-in library of hundreds of pre-made layout packs? That's right out of the box, you have access to hundreds of professionally designed pre-made layout packs that help you get a beautiful website up and running in just minutes. And the best part, they are 100% completely free. Think of the time and money you'll save comparing to designing your website from scratch. Each of our pre-made layout packs features individual page layouts designed strategically for a particular industry or niche. They're made by our in-house industry-leading design team and are easy to access right from the Divi Builder with just a few clicks. These layout packs also come with royalty-free images, meaning all the images in the layout are free for you to use without restriction for commercial and non-commercial use. Now that you know the amazing value these layout packs have to offer, here's how to use them on your own Divi website. Before you can download pre-made layouts from the Divi library, you'll need to authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. Here's how to do it. Head over to your WordPress website and navigate to Divi Theme Options. Select the Updates tab and enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. To find your username and API key, head over to your Elegant Themes account and navigate to Account, Username, and API key. Now that your subscription has been authenticated, let's head to a page and load a layout pack. Let's start by creating a new page. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, Add New. Give the page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder on the front end. Next, select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout from the 3 options that pop up when deploying Divi on a new page. This will automatically open the Add from Library pop-up from the Divi Builder Settings menu. By default, the Pre-Made Layout tab will be open, displaying the hundreds of pre-made layouts available. Alternatively, you can always choose a pre-made layout by clicking the Add from Library icon at any time to open the Add from Library pop-up. Inside the Add from Library pop-up, you can find the type of layout pack you're looking for by using the search bar and/or category filters on the left. Or you can simply scroll down and look at all of the layouts. The layouts are sorted from oldest to newest, but you can change that using the drop-down menu in the top right and selecting how you want to sort them. Once you've found the layout you want to use, click on it and you'll see a preview of all the page layouts available within that pack. To load a page layout to your page, simply click on the layout you want and then click the Use This Layout button. Divi will then load the layout onto your page in just a few moments. And just like that, you have a fully designed page filled with demo content that is easy to tweak and make your own. Repeat this process for all the pages you want to create until you have everything set up exactly how you like it. Once you have the page layouts in place, you can go back to the page you created and finalize the design and content before publishing the site live. Using the Divi Builder, you can go back and make edits to any page and content with our drag and drop builder. For this, you'll need to be familiar with the basics of how to use Divi Builder, but don't worry, you don't need to use code or be an expert in Divi to learn how to do so. Our drag and drop interface is pretty intuitive and easy to use. Make sure to update any forms within the layout packs so that you're getting any contact form submissions that come through. For example, you'll need to update contact forms with your email address. And you'll need to update email opt-in forms so that they are connected to your mailing list. As mentioned before, each layout pack comes with royalty-free images for your commercial or non-commercial use. That means you don't have to swap out the images if you don't want to. They're free for you to use. Once a page layout is loaded onto a page, all of the images used in that design will be automatically imported into your WordPress media library. You can also download all of the image and design assets over on our blog. To download the entire image and assets folder for the particular pre-made layout pack you want, you can go to our blog and search for the pre-made layout pack. For example, the free software layout pack. Then select the post featuring the free layout pack. Towards the end of the post, you will find the download button titled Download the Full Res Image Assets. Now that you have all of your pages set up, it's time to configure the rest of your website. Let's start by adding a menu. To create a new menu, follow these steps. Navigate to Appearance and Menus from the WordPress dashboard. Type in your menu name, and then under the menu settings display location, click Primary Menu, and then click Create Menu. Once the new menu is created, we are ready to add our pages to the menu. Here's how. On the left-hand side, under Add Menu Items, you can select from Pages, Post, Add a Custom Link, or choose categories from your blog. We are going to add pages. Select the ones that you want to add, and then click Add to Menu. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save menu. Now that we have our navigation menu in place, let's specify a static homepage. By default, WordPress will display your latest blog posts on your homepage. If you want to change your homepage to display a static homepage you created, here's what to do. First step is go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings and then Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then from the dropdown, select the homepage you created. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Now that we got all that set up, you'll want to configure your Divi theme options like updating your custom logo and building out your theme builder templates. For example, you could create a custom page template for blog posts or for a 404 page. Check out the links in the description for more information on how to design those various templates. Using one of Divi's free pre-made layout packs is a great way to get a website up and running in just a fraction of the time it would usually take. Let's be honest, great design is not an easy thing to find, but with your Divi membership, you have access to hundreds of designs made by our industry-leading design team right inside the Divi Builder for free. Do you need a Divi membership? Join today and get started on building your dream website by clicking the link in the video description. And don't forget to check out our blog where we release a new Divi layout pack every week.